driving for about an hour and a half to the trailhead out in close to Laughlin, Nevada, east side of Nevada. So we're gonna stay at the trailhead, camp there for the night, and then not early in the morning, but sometime in the morning, since we're not in a hurry, we're just gonna take our time. Sometime in the morning we're gonna head out to Mojave Road, and we're estimating between 3 to 4 days, depending on how much fun we can have over there. We don't plan to rush any of our stops, so the kids they have good attitude today, and looks like we're gonna have a really fun expedition. Alright, well, we're here. We're about a few miles away. We actually passed the turn to our campsite just to get gas at this Chevron station, and we got here pretty early, so we're gonna set up camp and chill out before it's dark. We're gonna cook some dinner, and this is really convenient. So what happens is you fill up your full tank before you get into the trail, which is perfect when you don't have to worry about running out of gas throughout your trip. So we're out here at our trailhead to the Mojave National Reserve. Well, we got into first camp, and we've set up. We got here around 5 o'clock, and we found this nice spot with fire ring already, and we're all set up, ready to light up our fire when it gets dark. We've got food. Tomorrow we're heading back that way. We're gonna go back over some of those mountains. Truck is down there. We've got this beautiful backdrop for tonight. Perfect spot. So happy that we got here early so we can all relax, and kids are enjoying